Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points.
In this video, I will be speaking about USDCHF. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I will be covering the technical aspect for this market. Then we will be moving to the order flow by looking at the commitment of traders, so the COT data, so essentially what hedge funds and the big players in the market are doing and how they're shifting their orders. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This is the place to be for high quality free trading education. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight onto the charts.
Starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is testing a quite strong historical monthly demand and support zone. From here, all this previous rejection to the upside was created. At the moment, the market is testing the exact same area and has already started rejecting it to the upside. So from a monthly standpoint, everything seems quite bullish and more bullish price action could be expected away from this zone. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that we had a massive rejection to the downside. Then the market started creating this horizontal range here from a weekly standpoint, and now we just had a breakout to the upside. Now, generally speaking, when you have the creation of a range, so the market is, let's say a market is moving in a range, and clearly the top and bottom of the range have already been respected in multiple occasions, which is exactly what we had right here in this range here. Then the market breaks out to the upside from the range, which is exactly what happened right here. After that, what you would naturally expect is for the market to retest the range and then create a rejection to the upside. That is the most basic kind of continuation to the price action in the case of this pattern, which you can find in a general technical analysis. And in a situation like this, what you would expect, as we were just saying, is for the market to go and test this area and then get rejected to the upside. And what we can notice is that the market already went and tested its zone. So now we would be in the phase in which we would expect a potential rejection to the upside away from this zone. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, we can notice that we didn't really have a strong retest of this structure. This area is a quite important level of resistance that was tested and respected in many occasions. And after a break to the upside, what you would expect is a real test of the zone before then getting the rejection to the upside. So there is definitely the possibility for this market to go for a deeper test of the zone, go and check what kind of liquidity there is inside of this area. And then after institutions have loaded up their longs, at that point to see a rejection to the upside. Speaking about institutional longing, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so what the big players in the market are doing, and we look at the data precisely for the CHF, we can see how with the last reports, net positions have been massively decreasing. We went from having minus 17.1k net positions all the way down to having minus 22.4k net positions, showing how institutions are moving back to the bearish side for the CHF, therefore making the CHF weaker. Now, if you keep in mind that all currencies on the spot are traded against the USD, if institutions are shorting the CHF, they are essentially longing USD-CHF because they are shorting CHF-USD. So in a situation like this, institutions are weakening the CHF by longing USD-CHF, therefore making it stronger. So if we keep this in mind and move back to the chart, this means that there is definitely the possibility, if the market will test this area, to see more institutional longing, which at that point could further increase the probabilities of a potential rejection to the upside away from this area. And by the way, if you still haven't joined my free Telegram channel, go and check it out so you never miss new updates. The link is in the description. Now, in a situation like this, If the market would retest this area, what would I expect? Well, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market at that point, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection away from this area, completing this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me.
Now, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you go and check out the transparentfxtrading.com website, which you find linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to the most complete mentorship program ever that I have created. You have the possibility to gain access to all the courses, the trading station software with the Telegram signals integration, one-on-one private mentoring directly with me, the COT data software that you see me use in all these videos. And if you continue to scroll down the website, past the testimonials, you will see that you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the sign-up process. So I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in description and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and also let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos. And I will see you in my next breakdown.